There.
Let me help you.
There.
Pull. Pull. Pull it out. It looks cute, whatever it is.
What is it?
Oh my gosh.
It's a backpack. What? It's a hippo backpack.
Oh, what else?
I don't know. We gotta find out who this is from, though. Is there a card? Wow, that's so cute.
What is
Let
it?
me open them for you so you can really get the full effect.
No.
Look.
What else is
Keep looking. Looks like there's more stuff. Look, this is so pretty.
That's a pretty dress.
This is beautiful. Maybe you could wear this tomorrow for Easter.
What else?
Let's see what this is. Let's see what this one is. This looks like it's a swimsuit cover-up for when you go swimming. For when you're like hanging out at the lake.
Or are we hanging out at the pool?
Or at the pool.
Oh, look.
See?
Huh?
Or a deep eddy. You wear it over your bathing suit so you don't get cold.
That's
You
cute.
need to open up this. Is there a card in there?
Huh?
Is there a card in there? Do you know who it's from? I have a feeling I know who it's from. This is so cute. Oh, and you put things in? What a cool backpack. You want to put stuff in there?
Yeah.
Okay, get some stuff.
No, please put it down.
Okay, I won't. I'll put it on the counter.
Look, there's more
Oh my
stuff.
gosh.
More stuff.
Oh my gosh. More cute clothes. Who could have sent this?
I think it was Christy.
That would be my guess.
She said she was sending something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Auntie Christy is just decking you out with cute. I'm sorry. Why don't you go get some things to put in here? I will not put it